up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to insert the video cards into your videos using your mobile device as well as your laptop and or desktop computer. Now, I know a lot of you guys have requested this video, overwhelmingly so, which makes me so happy. I want the feedback from you guys to find out what kind of videos that you want to see on these Whatever Wednesdays and whatever will help you the best in building your channel. So I did get a lot of people who had requested to see this video because I know a lot of you don't have computers like a desktop or a laptop computer. So you wanted to learn how to do this with your mobile device. So I went ahead and taught myself how to do it. And now I'm going to show you everything that I learned. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so you're going to start by going into the internet browser for your phone. Mine is Safari, but I never use Safari. I always do everything through Google. So I'm going to click on the little Google app, and then I'm going to type in YouTube Studio. Well, I start to type it in and then it comes up. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And then I'll click on it again. And what this does is it will take me to the desktop version of YouTube Studio, where if you went through the app, you would not get to see it like this. So I'm going to go ahead, and on the side here, they have all these different options. I want to click on that little videos icon because we're going to edit one of my videos. While we're in here, do you guys see that copyright claim? Isn't that awesome? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the Grandma in a Box video because that is the one where we're going to go ahead and add these cards. So I'm going to click on the video itself, I think. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on that little pencil icon to edit the video. So if I scroll down and over, it will give me the option to add an end screen or cards. So we're just doing cards in this video. So I'm going to click on that little pencil icon where it has the cards. Okay, so what I don't like about this is you're not able to watch the video and add the cards as you're watching the video like you can in your laptop or desktop computer. I will show you that option at the very end of this tutorial. So what you're going to have to do is go into your editing app and find the timestamps for when you want to add these cards, write that information down, then go into your app and add the cards. So you have the option to add a video, a playlist, or a channel. So you could add a link. Those never work. I've tried it a couple of different times and it just doesn't work, so I don't bother with that. So I'm just going to show you how to add the video, playlist, and channel cards for this tutorial. So we'll go ahead and we will start with the playlist because I know that's what I want to add first in this particular video. So you would just click that little plus sign right beside the playlist. And then it's going to pull up all the different playlists that you have available. So I'm going to go ahead for this particular video and select the subscription box Saturday playlist because that is the one that applies to what I'm doing in this particular video. So once I selected that, it's going to put it at the very front part of the video. So in order to move that, you're just going to put your finger right on top of that little blue mark right there. And you're just going to scroll it over to whatever timestamp you want that card to show up at. I know that I want this one to show up at 39:11, so that's exactly where I want it. That one is good to go. So it's that easy, guys. I mean, this is a very simple process. You just have to make sure that you have the timestamps available for when you want to insert the cards in your videos, and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and insert a video card just so that I can show you the different ones you can do. So I select card, then I'm going to select video, and I'm going to wait for that to work. And then you can choose from your videos, or you can choose any video on YouTube. So if you want to include a video from another channel, you can do that too. So for this one, I just want to include one of my more recent videos, and I don't know why I didn't minimize the keyboard, guys, but I eventually do that. So you can see that I'm just scrolling through my most recent videos to see if any of those would make sense to put in this video. And after scrolling through it, I realized I'm not seeing the one that I want to put in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and go click in that Your Videos search box, and I'm going to type in Grandma because I want to insert the short video of this one that I'm working on right now. I want to insert the short one as a card to give people an option to watch the Cliff Notes version of this unboxing. So it's right there at the very beginning. I got a whopping 15 views on it. Let's go ahead and click on that, and we're going to insert that as a card into this video so people can watch that one if they don't want to watch the full unboxing. So again, put it at the very beginning, but I know exactly where I want to drag this one to. So I'm just, with my finger, I'm just dragging this over to the timestamp that I want it to be at. It's not quite hitting it where I want it to go. So I'm going to click on that little box where that video card is that I'm inserting, and I'm going to put the proper seconds in there where I want that card to show up at. So this one is ready to go. Now the next one that I want to show you is inserting a channel link. So if you wanted to insert somebody's channel link on your video, you can do that as well, any channel on YouTube. So I'm just going to click in the search box, and we're going to go ahead and find Life with Lois's. I'm just picking one of my friends, guys, because I just think that's easier. So Life with Lois is what I'm typing in here, but I just typed in Life with Lois and she already popped up. As you can see, there's several other ones, but I want the first one here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now I get a red warning sign here. That just means that we need to add some additional information for this particular video card. So in the custom message section, I'm just going to click in there and I'm going to type in life or link to, I was going to put link to Lois's channel, but I decided to put in link to Life with Lois's. People will get the point that that's what this video card is if they want to jump over and check out her channel. So now you also have to put in a teaser text, and I just put the same thing in twice, but you have to fill in both of these spaces in order for this video card to work. So I just put the exact same thing that I put in for the one above it. Spelling issue, but you know what I'm saying here. We're going to put in that exact same thing in. This one's ready to go, so I'm going to drag it to the part of the video that I want it to show up at. And after dragging it to where I wanted it to go, I was like, okay, I can't see where it's at. So I scrolled down so I could see what the heck I was doing. And then I realized that it just wasn't going to hit where I wanted it to hit. So I thought it would be easier if I just went ahead and typed it in. So I typed in just the numbers. And as you can see, it's going to turn the box red because you have to put in the semicolon as well. I think that's what that's called. I don't know. But the two little dots, you have to put those in as well so that it will accept the video card. So I'm just going to put 3 in for this video just for the sake of this tutorial. I will add the other 2 at another time. Let's go ahead and click save so that it will save the changes that I just did to this video, and the cards will show up when people watch it. So now that I've clicked the save button, I want to go in and show you guys how these cards work in the actual live video. So I just saved all of that work. So now I'm going to go out and I'm going to go into YouTube and I'm going to click on this video so that you guys can see what this does to your videos. How many times can I say video in one video? That's awesome. Okay, so I clicked on it. Now I'm just going to move the little cursor over to where I know that first video card is going to show up at, just so you guys can see it. And it's going to show up right around here. So as I'm talking about whatever it is I'm talking about here, this unboxing, you're going to see the video card pop up in the upper right-hand corner there. So if I were to click on that, it will give me the option to go to that subscription box Saturday playlist. Now I pulled up all 3 video cards that I have available for this particular video. So I did it again just because I didn't realize that's how it worked. I thought when you clicked on the video card that it took you straight to that playlist. That's actually not what it does. So if I click on the playlist, it's just going to take me to the first video that I put in that particular playlist. So just a lesson learned there. I didn't realize that's how they work. So let's go ahead and check out that second video card that I put in there. I'm going to scroll over until I roughly get to the area where that video card is supposed to show up. And I'm pretty sure it's going to do the same thing, but I just want to show you guys how these things work. So I'm going to let this play through here and hopefully that shows up. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that suggested video. And as you can see, the short video is second there. So if I click on it, it brings up that video so people can watch that if they want to. So that's how that particular one works. I'm going to go back out one more time just to show you guys how the video card works for the channel link that I put in for Life with Lois's. So I'm going to try to find the area where that video card is supposed to show up at. and I will show you what happens when you click on that one. So I click on it, it brings up all the video cards again for that particular video. But if I click on the link to Life with Lois, it takes me straight to Lois's channel. I can click on her most recent video and watch it. So that's how these video cards work, guys. This will absolutely 100% help you in your watch time hours. If you add those into your videos, they definitely won't hurt. Let's go ahead and show you the desktop version. I'm sorry, this is so wonky. I don't know why I recorded this way. I can't even explain it. But at any rate, it's the same setup. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the little content button here so that you can see the difference doing it on your laptop or desktop. So I'm going to click on the exact same video. And hopefully it comes up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, the layout's just a little bit different, which is actually better in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the little pencil there to add the cards. And as you can see on this one, your video pops up. So I like to do it this way because I can watch the video and add the cards as I'm watching the video. So if I'm talking about something in particular, I can insert it in at that point. So I'm just going to click play here so that you can see how this works. So I'm just playing the video through. And another thing I like about doing it on my desktop and or laptop is that you can see the video cards show up in the video as they will when the video is live. I love to be able to watch everything through, make sure everything looks the way that I want it to look. So just for the sake of showing you how to do it on the laptop and or desktop, I'm going to go ahead and delete this first video card and just show you that you do it the exact same way that you do it on the mobile device, but you just have the luxury of actually watching the video and seeing the video cards show up as you've inserted them to make sure that everything's looking the way that you want it to look. So I just grabbed that blue cursor there, just moving it around, just so showing you that you can move the video card to wherever you want it to be, just like you would with your finger on your mobile device. So I did delete that first video card so that I can go ahead and add it again, so that I can show you how to do it on your laptop and or desktop computer. I have no idea why I clicked save and now I got all the way out and I have to go back in again to show you guys how to do this. I have no idea why I'm starting from scratch. I can't explain it. I was pretty tired, so, I can't explain it. Okay, guys, so I have no idea what I was doing there. I really have no idea. Nonetheless, we're back in. I'm going to go ahead and click the little pencil icon, and we're just going to go ahead and insert that card that I removed. So this is pretty much the exact same process as we did on the mobile device, but I'm going to show you anyways. This is on my laptop computer. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to the little card button. I'm going to click the little plus button so that I can insert a card. I hope that I'm going to do that. I don't know what's taking me so long. There I go. I'm going to go ahead and click on that little plus button to insert the card. Now I'm going to insert a playlist. Click the playlist, Amber. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and add that subscription box Saturday playlist back into the video. Like I said, pretty much the same process. But the only difference is I have the luxury of watching the video to make sure it's showing up where I want it to. So now I'm moving it where I think I want it to go. Then I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the seconds to what I need them to be. And then I'll move that little gray cursor that's taking me through the video. I'm going to move it over past the point of that video card so I can watch it and see where it shows up in the video to make sure that it's looking the way that I want it to look. This is the luxury of doing it on your laptop and or desktop. You do not get the option to view it on your mobile device. Now, it won't show up that big on the video, of course. It's just because this screen is so super small right now. Okay, guys, that's all it is. That's all you do. And I just drug that over so you guys can see the next video card show up. I just like being able to watch everything through to make sure it's showing up the way that I want it to. That's why I prefer to do this on my laptop. All right, guys, I hope that you found this helpful. Sorry it was all over the place, but I was pretty tired when I was filming it. And guess what? I'm super tired now that I'm doing the voiceover. So let's go ahead and jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and just remember when you're putting those video cards into your videos to make sure that you're inserting them in the places that make the most sense. Like, for example, if you're talking about a specific video that you just did on your channel, then obviously you're going to want to put the info card in at that point of the video. Just common sense, guys. But if you don't have playlists created on your channel, I highly suggest you do that because I get the most click-through rate on my video cards when I put the playlist cards in there because people are clicking on the playlist because clearly that's something that they're interested in seeing. Like that particular kind of video is the one they're interested in seeing on your channel. So if you have a playlist created for like subscription boxes or makeup tutorials or whatever, then they can just get to the whole list of videos that you have that are related to that topic, and they're able to click through and watch as many as they want. And a lot of people do binge watch my playlist when I insert them as video cards in my videos. So just a little tip there for you guys. But if there's any other kinds of videos that you want to see to help build your channel, please let me know. I am more than happy to help every way that I can. That's why I started doing videos like this. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, so I hope that you found those tips and tricks helpful. I drew a blank. Let's try it again. Because it definitely does help with your overall watch time. And then if somebody likes what they see in the video that they're watching, boom, boom, boom. I love when I mess up. Try it again. As well as actual video cards. And if you're talking about somebody else's channel, you can insert their channel, all of that stuff, guys. That's what this is for, is to help get... I screwed this up. Hold on. Okay, guys, so I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And just remember, when you're inserting the video, inserting. Why did I say it like that? Try it again. Like if you're talking about a specific video, then that's when you want to put the video card into that section of your video. How many times can I say video in one sentence? Let's try it again. For example, if you're talking about a specific video, make sure that you're putting that video card. Why is it got to be videos so many times? Like, it's just getting on my nerves. All right, try it again. For example, if you're talking about a specific video in your video, how else am I going to say it? Like, I don't know how else to say it. Okay, try it again. Oh, stuck to my foot. Dude. Okay, guys, so I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And like I said, well, did I say it? I don't know if I said it. Let's just try it again. Wow.